Monday, September 11th. Well, looky here. What the heck is Tesla stock doing? Oh, nothing much, just up 6% in the pre-market. I wonder why that could be. But first, Tesla analysts tempered Q3 expectations, Lucid CEO's fat paycheck, NIKOLA's nagging fire incidents, and more. Biggest EV stories of the week. The broader market weakness weighed down on electric vehicle stocks in the week ending of September 8th, although some, including market leader Tesla, bucked the downtrend after the irrational exuberance that followed its initial public offering. Vietnamese EV startup VinFast continued to head south. Surprise, surprise. Tesla, Giga Shanghai milestone, Cybertruck news flow, and more. The Giga Shanghai plant achieved the milestone of producing its 2 millionth vehicle in just 4 years. About half of Tesla's worldwide production comes from the Giga Shanghai plant. Not to mention EVs manufactured there have the higher margins. Giga Shanghai also serves as Tesla's major export hub. News around the Cybertruck continues to circulate heavily. Sell-side analysts shared some negative tidings about Tesla's third quarter results, with Deutsche Bank flagging risk to third quarter production and deliveries due to scheduled summer production pauses. Key word there, people, scheduled production pauses. It'd be different if something unplanned happened to these factories, but they're scheduled production pauses. Additionally, the companies need to offer discounts on inventory, and the absence of substantial cost offsets in the quarter could contribute to incremental downside risk, if you say so. Separately, Musk confirmed that Tesla's priority would be robotaxis. The billionaire refuted a report that the company's rumored $25,000 car and robotaxis would be inspired by the Cybertruck, but acknowledged that the robotaxi will look like the future. Lucid CEO compensation raises eyebrows? One report noted that Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson was the highest paid automotive CEO in 2022. Now that's a little sus if you ask me. The executive's salary was split as a base salary of $575,000 plus annual cash incentives of up to another $575,000 based on company performance. I guess it's debatable whether or not he earned that $575,000 for 2022. Commenting on the fat paycheck, Musk said, "Beware any company where leadership compensation is not linked to performance." Incidentally, Lucid is struggling with production and deliveries, undershooting expectations. Yeah, we're going to produce and deliver about 20,000 vehicles this year. Yeah, about that. We're going to produce and deliver about 12,000 vehicles this year. You know what, on second thought, we're probably going to produce around 8,000 vehicles, hopefully. FISKER's Ocean Update. EV startup FISKER said this week that it is planning to ramp up production of its Ocean electric SUV from 180 units per day currently to 300 per day in the fourth quarter. During the week of September 4th, the company built 3,123 customer vehicles. The company expects customer deliveries in the U.S. to accelerate in September and noted that recent software updates have improved numerous vehicle features as well as the overall customer experience. It's a start, FISKER. Keep it up. NIKOLA haunted by more fire incidents. This week saw 2 more NIKOLA Tre electric semi-trucks catching fire. One of the semi-trucks caught fire in Temple, Arizona, affecting its battery pack, and another pre-production truck caught fire near the Phoenix headquarters. In June, when a truck went up in flames at the company's headquarters, NIKOLA suspected foul play. Is it Christmas time? Must be those damn gremlins. Although it did later cite a coolant leak inside a battery pack as the cause of the fire. Honda joins Tesla EV charging standard bandwagon. Japanese automaker Honda became the latest automaker to warm up to Tesla's North American charging standard. Target date, 2025. Pretty light on the news last week. Looks like that's about to change. Tesla set for electric start as stock surges 6% pre-market. What's going on? Shares of Tesla are rallying over 6% in pre-market trading on Monday, possibly thanks to a couple of catalysts. Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas on Sunday upgraded Tesla stock from equal weight and raised the 12-month price target from $250 to the street high of $400. This is Morgan Stanley, folks. That's a 60% boost. Morgan Stanley has now achieved a price target higher than my bear case. Analyst based his bullish stance on the potential of Tesla's Dojo supercomputer promises. We believe that Dojo can add up to $500 billion to Tesla's enterprise value, expressed through a faster adoption rate in mobility, robotaxi, and network services, software as a service, all of which is probably true. In fact, I would say that the value of all of these things is being slightly underappreciated. That's just my humble opinion, considering they're barely above my bear case now, which includes no robotaxi, no energy. I think you get my point. The stock also received support from the local Chinese media reports that said Tesla could raise Model Y prices next month. What? Tesla raised prices? I wonder why. You get it? You get what I did there? Now, I haven't read the article. We'll get back to it, but let me tell you exactly why I think Tesla will be raising the prices of the Model Y in China. This planned slowdown of production, this is kind of drying up the supply of the Model Y vehicle. Probably the most popular vehicle since the birth of the Model T. I may be over-exaggerating, but it is well over $40,000 and is the best-selling vehicle on the planet. I mean, what do I know? Wait times in China will definitely fluctuate depending on whether or not they'll be shipping those vehicles out to other countries in the Asia-Pacific region and Canada. This should calm the frazzled nerves of investors who are concerned about the lack of appreciable impact the price moves are having on volume and the margin impact of the price cuts. For those frazzled investors, bring it in. Let me talk to you one-on-one. RELAX. Relax. The only questions you should really be asking yourself: do you believe EV adoption is growing exponentially? Do you believe that Tesla has the ability to continue to grow their production by 50% over a multi-year horizon? And last but not least, question you need to ask yourself: am I a dumbass? If you know the answer to the prior questions to be yes, then you have nothing to fear. Hopefully, you're not a dumbass. In pre-market trading, Tesla rallied 6.8% to 265. Will this hold true? I do not know. But if you recall last week, I was a day late and $1 short. I wish I'd have placed that 255 call on Friday to benefit from this 6% boom in the pre-market, but you can't win them all. Well, that's all I got for you today. Be easy. Peace.